Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your headphones JBL Tune 570 on your Android phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here, at this time I have it at the bottom, but normally I have it at the beginning. So yeah, now we need to tap on it and then select headphones. And as you can see, we just change it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.